If you need to restore a database in Bluehost, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can upload your backup file and get your database restored as quickly as possible. This is especially useful if your site was broken, you made a mistake, or you simply need to roll back to a previous version of your data. Before we begin, make sure you have your database backup saved on your computer, usually as a .sql file. And if this tutorial helps you out, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website and hosting tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Bluehost account using your normal username and password. Once you're inside the Bluehost dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click Websites. This is where Bluehost keeps your site management tools, and it's the starting point for accessing your database through the hosting control options. Next, find the website you want to restore. If you manage more than one site, take a moment to make sure you choose the correct one, because the restore needs to happen on the right database. When you found the correct website, click Manage Site. This will open the main settings and overview area for that specific site. On the website's overview page, look for the phpMyAdmin option and click it. phpMyAdmin is the tool that lets you view and manage your MySQL databases directly, and this is what you'll use to import your backup file. Once phpMyAdmin opens, you'll see a list of databases on the left-hand side. Select the databases you want to restore from that left-hand menu. It's important to choose the correct database here, because the import will apply to whichever one is selected. After selecting the database, click the Import tab at the top of the page. This is where you can upload a backup file into the database. On the import screen, click Choose File. A file picker will open on your computer, and now you need to locate the backup file you want to restore. Select your database backup file and make sure it's the correct version before continuing. If you have multiple backups saved, choose the one that matches the restore point you want. After selecting the file, scroll down if needed and click Import. Bluehost and phpMyAdmin will now begin uploading and restoring the database contents from your backup file. Depending on the size of the database, this may take a few moments, so give it time to complete. Do not refresh the page or close the browser while the import is running. Once the process finishes, you should see a success message confirming that the database has been restored. That means your backup was imported successfully, and the database data has been put back in place. At this point, you can go back to your website and check that everything is working the way it should. If you were restoring a broken site, this is the moment to verify your pages, forms, and content are loading correctly. And that's how you restore a database in Bluehost using phpMyAdmin. It's a straightforward process once you know where to click, and now you can do it yourself whenever you need to recover lost or damaged data. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone else who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.